Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive caddy and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and slide the caddy out of the system. Remove the 4 screws to take the hard drive out of the caddy. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the caddy and secure it with the 4 screws. Relatch the caddy to the system and reconnect the cables. Slide the side cover on the system and secure it with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.